Well, this is a little area I want to take you to. This is a shooting area, not just north of Yuma, and you might have just heard that boom go off. And that's because we're at a shooting range. This particular one is a skeet shooting range here. And I wanted to do a separate video because I'm going to come out here and do some shooting myself with my little 9mm. But I wanted to show you that it's more than just where I'm shooting. They actually got this is nothing but shotguns in this area they want. So there's basically you kind of just get up here, get signed up, you bring your own clays and everything, and you come here for free if you want to gather and do your shooting right here. Let's see if I can find some other places. And here's a range not far from the last one. This one here says they got the rules and stuff. Be sure to obey the rules. Do not drive on berm. Clean up and finish. I guess they want you to drive straight on down there, but way down there, this is a 1,000-yard range. That's what that's telling you. Telling you to be careful. If you want to come down here and shoot, set up a target down there, you can. Nice. And this one here says authorized people only in that one, on the other side of that. So it's probably law enforcement that use that. No one else is allowed in here. But we're going to go this range here on the other side. I'll go that way. So this is a small bore, which of course would be like 22s and such. Nice little setup though, I like it. And this area here is for bow hunters. It's actually on Southwest Bow Hunters Road. That's like maybe some sort of concession, so they set up a registration or something for a competition. That's what this building here is for. And they got a whole bunch of sites set up. You can see those big backstops they have. Short range and long range. It keeps going on down that way. Got a lot of them. There's actually some that's up here in the woods. So across the street here, you see that one way out there? There's another one that way. There's one on the other side of my car up that way. There's one out there. There's one on the other side of that power line there. But there's one right there. But neat little setup. I like it. Just kind of spread everybody out. More distance, the better.
Hi, Mary.
Of God. What's more, your relative Elizabeth has become pregnant, even in her old age. People have said that she was barren, but she's now in her 6th month. For nothing is impossible with God. Nothing.
Your Majesty, the Roman soldiers you requested are here.
Ah, yes. Bring him in.
So now we're down here in Oatman, Arizona. Come back. This is our second trip up this way. You come here because of these. Yeah, roaming the streets. But it's a little bitty town. It's got kind of a western theme to it. And they actually just had almost classic shootouts right here in the middle of town. And we're in the process of going. We'll go see some more donkeys and feed them a little bit. Funny is, I mentioned there was a guy who had a Doberman in here. Good sized Doberman, full size. that donkey come walking up to him. The Doberman was like, whoa! Donkey was not afraid, no dog, I'm just telling you. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here. Well, so now I'm into Mexico, heading over here one more time to go in here and buy medications and different stuff, and also all stuff that's on sale. It's really cool. Well, now it's a Saturday morning. We're at a breakfast. One of the local churches, Freedom Baptist Church here in the Yuma, is having a breakfast. It's a men's breakfast, so we have that in here. And I've got another video of the actual hall that they have, which is that way. They got really nice churches, good facility. They got a preschool, I think is what it is, over here, and nice outdoor area. Of course, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. You know, it's that early on a Saturday, but they do this once a month for their men, and well, they call it the men's breakfast. But anyway, we always like to do that while we're out traveling, trying to find different. So now we're hanging out the races. Probably not the races you think. This is RC car drag races that we're setting in. I want to show you a couple of clips of a race or two. Leave it to line. What happens? There's time trials now is what you're doing.
Off the tire. You want me to move forward?
Almost caught him. Now we're here in Yuma at AgFest. We're right downtown in historic Yuma. Oh look, the tractor. So we got lots of arts and crafts, and like most festivals, tons of arts and crafts, and lots of things to eat. Lots of things to eat. But it is beautiful down here. A nice fountain. Hey, cool. Just one of those other places that you know, you should be here too. Big stage at the other end. I am going to try to get this video of a hummingbird. I don't know if you can see it yet. You see it right there? Cool, huh? Don't see them all the time. That's pretty cool.